For businesses in every sector, the race to become truly digital is accelerating. But with that comes a challenge. The challenge of monitoring and managing data and services effectively in a coordinated, integrated way. The systems needed to ensure your business is digital first are many and varied. They all have a role to play in the digital transformation of a business. But typically, each is set up in isolation, in response to the specific objectives of an individual department, leading to disjointed management and a downturn in productivity. There is a better way though. A way in which the data held in these different systems can be shared, managed, and monitored across departments for the overall good of the business. It comes from creating a complete digital infrastructure that's accessible to every department, underpinning joined-up working in every part of the organization. With this infrastructure built on seamless integrations, your marketing and sales functions become a well-oiled machine. Customer data is captured via your website, social marketing, advertising, events, and lead generation campaigns, using forms to push it into the CRM. The CRM database is synchronized with your marketing automation system, informing and instigating further communications. It's also integrated with an ERP system, such as SAP for order fulfillment. The ERP system is, in turn, synchronized with a Product Information Management (PIM) system for real-time product availability details. And the PIM is integrated with your website, promotional channels, and marketing automation system to ensure all product and service data features correctly. It's a circular infrastructure in which every system informs the next, and you're constantly feeding your marketing and sales funnels. So how do you make sure all of these different systems are working in harmony? The answer lies in APIs and connector integrations. APIs allow systems to connect and share data effectively. For simple integrations, a RESTful API uses a standard format to connect different systems even if they're written in different programming languages, allowing, for example, data captured on a web form to be pushed directly into a CRM system. And the most popular applications have user-friendly connectors that allow their platforms to work easily with each other. But these standard technologies can only go so far. If the data needs to be transformed or manipulated in more complex ways, for example, or legacy systems are involved that don't feature the standard connectors, a custom integration is needed. And this is where the support of an integration expert proves invaluable. Consider the example of a global business with resellers across the world. Resellers need to apply discounts for potential customers to avoid losing sales. The supplier has to authorize the discount in order to make the sale. But to authorize the sale, the supplier needs the customer details to sit in a CRM system. If the two systems are disconnected, the sale can be lost. Thanks to a custom integration, however, the two can connect seamlessly. Authorization is immediate and the sale completed. The final piece in the digital transformation jigsaw is visibility. By connecting and integrating each of your systems, you can create views to monitor and analyze data in one place. And by creating a dashboard of these views, you can monitor the entire digital ecosystem in real time based on the objectives of your business. Meaning management becomes easier, action can be taken at precisely the right moment, and you have total control at all times. If you'd like to create clarity rather than complexity throughout your digital infrastructure and look forward to a more joined-up perspective on your business, talk to Procter & Stevenson.